Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very subtle, very romantic look featuring a very soft brown and pink halo eye paired with a glossy lip. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. For skin prep, I'm first spraying some water to my face before I dig into the hyaluronic acid by skin. What it will do is it will help to retain the moisture to my skin, making it look more dewy and alive. Next, I'm prepping my lips with the Nika Lip Crush Lip Balm in the shade Strawberry. Post these steps, I'll be waiting for at least 10 to 15 minutes till my skin can absorb all the goodness of the products that I just used. Next, I'm spraying some setting spray. This one is by Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. Post that, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and my under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To cancel out the blue undertones of the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using an orange color corrector by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed explanation on color correction, I'll link the video for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9 and I'm first warming it up in my hand before I apply it to my face. What I love about this foundation is that it's extremely hydrating, giving a very dewy and luminous finish to my very dry face. It has a buildable coverage, so you can layer it up if you want more coverage out of your foundation. And to blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. To brighten the areas like my forehead, under eye area, chin and nosy, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Corrector. This concealer is considerably lighter than my skin tone, so what it will do is it will make these areas appear more prominent and bigger. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender and this one is by PAC. To bring some structure and dimension to my face, I'm using the Contour Kit by L'Oreal in the usual areas like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, jawline and the sides of my nose. To blend it, I am using my angled brush. For blush, from the Ofra Cosmetics Signature palette, I am applying this deep pink shade high up above my contour using my powder brush. And to highlight the top of my cheekbones, I'm using this bright shade from the Contour Kit by L'Oreal using a fan brush. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be using a setting spray. This one is by PAC. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread it across, I'm using my spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Corrector. And to set my concealer, I'm using a loose powder. This one is New Master Fix by Maybelline. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. I'm starting out by picking up this nude brown shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my PAC brush in the style 126 and depositing in the inner and the outer corners, dragging it right through my crease. To blend it, I'm using my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I am further deepening my outer and my inner corner by dipping into a deeper shade of brown from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my PAC brush in the style 126, and I am blending it using my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For the middle of my lid, I am using this light pink shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my dual-ended flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. to make my lid pop with some glitter, I am dipping into this very fine bone glitter shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my flat shot shader brush. For my lower lash line, I am again using the nude brown shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my pack brush in the style 126. And to fill in my waterline, I am using this white liner by Flamor. To finish up the eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm first using this Corally Peach lip shade. Unfortunately, this has no name on it as it's a drugstore product. And I'm topping it up with the shade Tease from Faces Canada, finishing it up with a lip gloss from Maybelline. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I am dipping into this bright bone glitter shade from the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my flat shot shader brush. And for falsies, I am using the Ardell Foam Ink Lashes in the style 810. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a white off-shoulder top and some statement earrings. I love how soft, subtle and elegant this look is. You can literally wear this look to any event. It is so versatile. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.